welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making these super easy, super delicious, chewy peanut butter cookies. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, please take a moment, look down below, press that red subscribe button, join the family, and come back for some more recipes. All right, let's get into these ingredients. Up first, we have 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Here we have 1/2 cup of all-natural peanut butter, 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 egg at room temperature. We'll be using 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And here we have 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar with a pinch of ground cinnamon. You can use a stand mixer for this or mix by hand. It's a really simple recipe, really easy, so I just thought I would go ahead and do it by hand. We're going to start by adding the stick of softened butter to the bowl. Now we are going to go in with our sugars, add those to the bowl, and then begin to mix. Now that we have our butter and sugars well combined, we're going to go in with the egg, add that, mix it in well. Now we're going to go in with the vanilla extract. I never actually measure, I just eye it, and this is about 2 teaspoons. So we're going to go ahead and mix that in. Now we're going to go in with the dry ingredients. This is our flour, baking soda, and salt. We're going to mix that in. We're not going to completely mix it in. Once I go ahead and start just a little bit, I'm going to stop and add the peanut butter, and then at that point we will finish mixing everything until everything is well combined. Now we're going to go in with the peanut butter, and that will be everything. Now that we have everything well combined, what we're going to do is place this in the refrigerator. It needs to chill for at least 1 to 2 hours before baking. So we're going to set that aside, let it chill, and then we will be right back shortly. All right, y'all, here we are. It's actually the next day. I didn't bake the same day that I made the dough, and I've actually taken half of the dough out of this bowl. This recipe can make anywhere from 20 to 24 cookies. It really just depends on the size that you make them. Here I am taking a tablespoon and scooping out some cookie dough, and then I'm rolling it into little balls. I have my cookie sheet lined with parchment paper to prevent sticking. So once I get all of the dough onto the cookie sheet, I'm going to take my fork and make the indentions both vertically and horizontally, but you'll see that coming up shortly. I have preheated the oven to 350 degrees. So here we have our fork, and now I'm going to go in and make the indentions that I spoke of earlier. Just once vertically, once horizontally, and I'm going to do that to each cookie. Here we have our cinnamon sugar mixture, and I'm just going to go in and sprinkle a little on top of each of the cookies prior to baking. This is a close-up shot of the cookies before placing them into the oven. Again, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. All right, so here are the cookies. As soon as I have taken them out of the oven, they bake for a total of 14 minutes in my oven. Again, these cookies are super easy to make. They taste really, really good, nice and peanut buttery, nice and chewy. So yeah, if you're a fan of peanut butter, I would highly recommend you give this recipe a try. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section and I will be sure to get back with you. While you're here, I hope you take a moment to look down below, press that red subscribe button, join the family, come back for some more recipes. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.